In this video, we'll be discussing 11 plants that are perfect for a windowless office. If you're someone who spends most of their time indoors at work, it's essential to bring some greenery into your space. Not only do plants add to the aesthetics of your workspace, but they also purify the air, making it a healthier and more productive environment. Our top pick for a windowless office is the air plant. This plant doesn't require any soil and absorbs nutrients and moisture through its leaves, making it a low-maintenance plant. Another great option is the snake plant, which has dark green, upright leaves with yellow edges and is excellent for air purification. It's also low maintenance and thrives in low light. The money tree has delicate, braided stems with rounded leaves and is believed to bring good luck and prosperity. It's also easy to grow. The lady palm has tall, thin stems with lush, fan-shaped leaves, which adds an elegant and graceful touch to your workspace. It's also perfect for low-light environments. The pothos is a trailing vine with variegated, heart-shaped leaves that are easy to grow and perfect for beginners. It's also great for purifying the air and adds a touch of greenery to your space. The peace lily has dark green leaves with white, spoon-shaped flowers that add beauty to your workspace. It's also an excellent air purifier. The Chinese evergreen is perfect for those who neglect their plants. It has dark green leaves with silver markings and is known for tolerating low light and neglect. The bird's nest fern is perfect for hanging baskets, with deep green leaves that curve inward. Its attractive foliage adds a touch of nature to your office. The rubber tree plant has large, shiny leaves with burgundy undersides, making it a dramatic addition to your office space. It's also an excellent air purifier and adds a touch of greenery to your space. The Monstera is an iconic and trendy plant with large, perforated leaves on long stems. It's easy to care for and perfect for a windowless office. The prayer plant is a unique plant with striking, patterned leaves that fold up at night. It's easy to care for and perfect for a windowless office. Lastly, the ZZ plant is perfect for those who don't have a green thumb. Its thick, waxy leaves on upright stems tolerate low light and neglect, making it an excellent addition to your office. We hope this video was helpful and inspired you to add some greenery to your workspace. Don't forget to check the links in the description and top comment to buy all of the plants mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching.